My screen is visible? Yes? My
Yes,
screen is
ma'am.
Yes,
visible?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start our program, which is using decision control structure and loop control structure and case control structure. Okay? We will start our we will start our first experiment. Okay? Okay, first of all, we will see your experiment list. Okay? Now, very good. Lab manual. Okay, no problem. We will see. Yeah. Is see your lab manual, computer program and numerical method. Okay. In this, for your first experiment is C programming demonstrate control instruction using C, and that we will see if else ladder, and next while loop and do while loop. Okay. Anyone don't understand yesterday lecture while loop program or do while loop example demo of while loop, do while loop and if else loop, we will see understand in this control instruction using C program. Okay. All of you concentrate in your program. Your first experiment C programming to demonstrate control instruction using C. Okay. In this we will see if else ladder and next while loop, do while loop, yes, and switch case. Okay. First upon you tell me what is array of circle. Anyone tell me formula of array of circle? Anyone tell me formula of array of circle? Yes. Anyone? What is the
Pi
formula of
by
array?
4 into d square.
Okay. Pi by 4. Okay. Area of circle. Write it comment. Write it comment. Calculate. Okay. Description. Calculate area of circle. Okay. Means information of the program. Okay. All of you understand? Comment means information of the program. माहिती. Program ची माहिती. Okay. Next one. Write it. Preprocessor. Include. Hash include. Studio.h. Hash include. Conio.h. Next one. Void main. You will start your program. Main function. Okay. Main. Main. Opening bracket. Next float. Float r. Radius r. and area of circle. Calculate area of circle. That's why we will use A. Okay, variable. You take area full name also you take it, or radius full name also take it. I will use it variable R and A. Okay. Printf. Printf take it, display the messages. Enter. Enter the radius of a circle. Radius of the circle. Next one, scanf. Scanf means user taking input. Okay. Format specifier %F because of float. We will use float. That's why we will take %F. Okay. Next one, address of R. Radius. We will take the radius as a user input. Okay. Next one, write it formula. A is equal to pi ची value काय असते in number? Anyone tell me value of
3.14.
okay 3.14 into r square. Okay. Okay. Next one, we will print it the result. Print area of circle. Area of the circle is equal to %F semicolon A. Result will be stored A value. Okay, A variable. Yes, that's why will be print A. Area of the circle A. Result will be stored A variable. Okay. Next one, get CH. Get CH. Next one, closing bracket. All of you listen carefully. Understand the program. Okay. Save it. Your name. SY BTech DSY. Okay. Dot C. Okay. Already over. Cancel. DSY dot C. Okay. Compile. One error. What is mean error? Semicolon missing. Yes. This is the error. Okay. Compile and control F9. Yes. Radius of 5. What is the radius? 78.5. Next is 0, 0. What is result is occurring? Output कशामध्ये आले? Floating point मध्ये. Okay. That's why we will take floating initialization. Okay. All of you understand? Okay. Yes,
ma'am.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will start our explanation of the program. What is mean by comment? Comment. Anyone tell me what is mean by comment? What is mean by comment? Anyone? Anyone tell me what is mean by comment? Yes, Aishwarya, Vaibhavi, comment.
इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोव्हाइड करण्यासाठी यूज करतात.
Yes, yes. Information of the program. That's why we will use comment. And what is our program name? Calculate area of the circle. That's why we will take comment calculate area of the circle. Next one, we will take file. Okay. Suppose journal. In computer, we will want to store your document. Result, 10th result, 12th result, 11 of your degree result. What will we do? डू इट वन फोल्डर. येस और नो. तुम्ही एक फाईल फोल्डर करणार ना? येस. मग दॅट वी विल स्टोअर युअर डॉक्युमेंट. राजनंदिनी, इट इज अ फोल्डर, वन फोल्डर. त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही 10वी 12वी तुमचं डॉक्युमेंट ठेवणार. येस. दॅट्स वाय वी विल use it file name. Yes. Hash include studio.h, hash include conio.h. Okay. We will write all program in this file. We will store it into standard input output header file. Yes. All of you understand? Geetanjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write it file name hash include studio.h. It is a header file. Okay, standard input output file. Next one, hash include conio.h. H is a console input output file. Because of our output is into a console. Okay, it is a console file. Okay, console input output. Okay, that's why we'll take it. We will take it a console input output dot h. Okay, next one, void main. We will start our program into main function. Okay, opening bracket float r comma in. Radius, first of all we will take radius. Okay, next one, area of the circle. Calculate area of the circle, that's why we will take area. Yes, that's why we will take a variable and r is a radius. Next one, we will take printf. Printf, display in messages. Okay, displaying messages into your output screen. That's why we will take enter a radius of the circle. Okay, next one, scanf. Scanf take as a user input. म्हणजे तुम्ही देणार input as a programmer. Okay, float percentage here, it is format specifier address of r. Address of r means taking as an input from the user. Okay, only it is a display there enter a radius of the circle. Don't write anything. Printf, don't write anything. Scanf, write it. All of you, scanf तुमचं write करणार. तुमचे number, what is your input you are take it. Scanf, write it. Okay, next one, formula. एरियाचा फॉर्म्युला राईट करायचा. A is equal to 3.40 into r by r square. Yes. Next one, we display the result. That's why we will take printf. Displaying result, we will take printf statement. Okay, printf function. Area of circle is equal to percentage a comma a. We will store the area of the circle a variable. That's why we will take a. Okay, a is equal to 3.14 star r star r. Okay, we will take the formula and result will be stored a variable. Okay, all of you understand? Result will be stored a variable and printf area of the circle a result. Okay, next one, get ch for holding output screen. Okay, आउटपुट स्क्रीन होल्ड करायचं काम कोण करतं? गेट ch. अँड लक्षात ठेवा, console.h यूज केल्यानंतर गेट ch यूज करावंच लागते. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टँड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लक्षात घ्या, इनिशियलायझेशन करायचं. काय करायचं आपल्याला? फ्लोट रेडियस काढायची, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल काढायचा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल टेक रेडियस. येस. नेक्स्ट वन, मेसेज प्रिंट करायचा आहे. नेक्स्ट स्कॅनऑफ, रेडियस ॲज अ इनपुट घ्यायचा आहे, तर ॲड्रेस ऑफ आर. नेक्स्ट वन, रिझल्ट प्रिंट फॉर्म्युला राईट करायचा. नेक्स्ट वन, फॉर्म्युलाचं रिझल्ट कुठे प्रिंट स्टोअर होते तो प्रिंटएफ मध्ये डिस्प्ले करायचा. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टँड? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टँड? टेक इट स्क्रीनशॉट. टेक इट स्क्रीनशॉट. All of you take it screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Done.
ma'am.
Okay. And next, area of circle is a simple if will don't any refills or else statement. Yes, it is a simple logic of area of circle formula. Yes, taking as an input and display as result will be stored as the area of circle. Write it formula. Next one, write it your result. Print it. Okay, it is a simple logic of area of circle. Next one, we will take example of nested if-else. ओके, इफ एल्स लॅडर. इफ एल्स लॅडर कुणाला समजलं नाही त्यांनी हा प्रोग्राम व्यवस्थित लक्ष देऊन एकदा बघा. ओके, देन वी विल you having any doubt, ask me into your program if else statement. Okay, okay, write it coming. Comment means information of the program. Write a program. Okay, write a program to check whether the number is positive, negative, and or zero. Yes. Okay. This is a statement of the program. You tell me what is mean by number is positive, negative, and zero. Mathematical. You tell me mathematical logic of positive, negative, and zero.
ग्रेटर दॅन 0 असेल तर पॉझिटिव्ह, लेस दॅन 0 असेल तर निगेटिव्ह आणि इज इक्वल टू 0 म्हणजे 0.
Okay. Anyone also tell me Rajnandini logic is correct. Anyone tell me another?
Correct,
Kshitija?
ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am. It is correct.
Yes, it is correct. But you tell me your logic, Vaibhavi, Kshitija. Any different logic?
नंबर्सच्या समोर मायनस असेल तर ते निगेटिव्ह आणि
हा
ॲज इट इज असेल तर पॉझिटिव्ह आणि
हा हा
झिरो तर झिरो.
हा हा हा. बरं, ठीक आहे. ओके. You also tell me correct logic. Kshitija, any different? Any different example? If you are having, if you have any different example?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Write it comment means information of the program म्हणजे माहिती. सिंपल माहिती ऑफ द प्रोग्राम. तुमच्या प्रोग्रामची म्हणजे तुम्ही काय करणार आहे त्याची माहिती म्हणजे कमेंट. ओके. ओके. If you are if you are comfortable to into Marathi, you tell me in your class or program. जे मराठी स्टेटमेंट आहे ती मी मराठीत सांगते. बट इट इज an English statement and in you are sufficient to understand English statement also it is sufficient. Okay. You tell me any coding language, it is only in English. Talk it only English. Okay. Sufficient? Write it comment. Write it preprocessor statement means file. Okay. Studio.h has include conio.h. Yes, write it your file name. Okay, first of all, hash include studio.h, hash include conio.h. Start our main function. Void main opening bracket integer, take it number. That's why we will take integer a. If you are take it I variable, also okay. If you are take X variable, also okay. As a user choice, initialization, integer A. Okay, clear screen means clear the output screen. Next printf. Next printf. Enter the number. Okay, enter the number A. Okay, next one, user taking input. Okay, that's why we'll take scanner percentage %d comma address of A. Okay, user taking as an input, that's why we will take scanner. First of all, we will Rajnandini logic if condition A is equal to 0, then printf enter number is 0. Yes, okay. All of you understand? If a condition A is equal to 0, then we will print enter a number 0. Okay. Display the result is 0. It's also okay. We will take enter number is 0. Okay. Next one, else. Suppose A taking as an input 5. 5 is equal to 0. It is true. Condition is true. Condition is true. Yes.
False.
False. That's why we will go to else part. Because of one block of statement is false. That's why we'll take else statement. Okay. Opening bracket. Next one, if A greater than 0, then printf enter the number is positive. Number is positive. Then closing bracket, else. Then printf enter the number is negative. Okay. First of all, we will take if A greater than 0, printf enter a number is positive. Okay. If A greater than 5 greater than 0, what will be result will be take positive number. Yes. And next minus 5 greater than 0, then else statement it is executed. Because of minus 5 greater than 0, it is condition will be negative statement. It's true. Then closing bracket, else opening bracket, printf closing bracket. Okay. Then else will be closed. Then use get ch. Okay. File save as DSY. DSY. Kshitija, roll number. Your roll number. Kshitija. Your roll number, Kshitija.
03.
Dot. Okay, compile, then control F9. Okay, -3. Enter number is negative. If you want to display the number is negative, it is also okay. Okay, all of you, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you see the output of the program.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Next one, control F9. We will take the 0. That entered number is 0. Okay. Next one, we will take 3. Positive number. Yes. Entered number is positive. First of all, we will take the description of the program. म्हणजे तुम्हाला समजून सांगते काय प्रोग्राम. हा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राईट इट अवर इन्फॉर्मेशन. इन्फॉर्मेशन मीन्स माहिती. तुम्ही माहिती लिहिली, तुम्ही काय टाईप करणार आहे प्रोग्राम त्याची माहिती लिहिली वर. ओके, राईट इट स्टेटमेंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन राईट इट फाईल. फाईल नेम studio.h, console.h. Okay, and next one start our main function. मेन फंक्शन स्टार्ट केलं. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन काय आपल्याला प्रिंट करायचं आहे. इफ चेक करायचं आहे इफ द नंबर इज पॉझिटिव्ह निगेटिव्ह. दॅट्स वाय वी टेक वन नंबर 5 3 6 7 8 9 10. मग त्याला स्टोअर करण्यासाठी एक व्हरायबल तरी लागणार तो नंबर स्टोअर करण्यासाठी. येस येस और नो. तो नंबर स्टोअर करण्यासाठी कोणत्या तरी व्हरायबल मध्ये स्टोअर करण्यासाठी एक व्हरायबल असणार. ओके, सपोज a इज इक्वल टू 5 8 सेमिकोलॉन. ओके, दॅट्स लाईक -3. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू सी माय स्क्रीन. ओके, वी विल सी हियर a इज इक्वल टू 8. एक नंबर कशामध्ये स्टोअर करणार आहे आपण. ए व्हरायबल मध्ये. दॅट्स वाय वी विल टेक इंटिजर a as a initialization of the variable. Okay, next one clear screen. Okay, next one printf means display the message. Only display the message we will take printf. Okay, printf enter the number a. Yes. नेक्स्ट वन स्कॅनफ. स्कॅनफ यूज फॉर टेकिंग इनपुट म्हणजे तुम्ही देणार इनपुट. ओके, स्कॅनफ पर्सेंटेज d ॲड्रेस ऑफ a. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इफ a इज इक्वल टू 0. इफ सपोज a इज इक्वल टू 0, सपोज we will write here a is equal to 0, then is equal to we will write journal statement. That's why we will use and you have understand the program. Okay, 0 is equal to 0. Statement is true. Yes, statement is true. Then printf enter the number is 0. Statement is true. Don't go else statement. Okay, enter number is 0 and then here is program terminate. Program stop the running the out else statement. Okay, if you write a is equal to -7 is equal to 0. Okay, then this statement is false. First block if statement is false. Then else if a -7 greater than 0, then else statement it will be executed. Entered number is negative. Anyone tell me -7 is less than or greater than 0?
Less than
In
Less than 0.
okay, that's why we will print it, display it, entered number is negative. Okay, next one we will write here a is equal to 7. Then 7 greater than 0, condition is true. Then printf entered number is positive. Okay. Okay, all of you understand? All of you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And closing bracket gets CS for holding the output screen, and main function is closed. And main function, start on main function here. Okay, opening bracket here. Okay. Next one, integer A, clear screen, printf, enter the number A, scanner. Next one, if A is equal to 0. If you write first time program, you will see the program if else statement syntax. Okay, all of you see this syntax and write it in program. Printf if opening bracket, close it. If close here. Okay. Next, else part. Opening bracket if greater than 0, opening bracket, next one printf statement, next one close it, next one else, opening bracket, printf, enter the number is negative, close here, main function close, next one if statement close here, next one get ch semicolon, main function close here. Okay, all of you see and take it screenshot of the program, all of you. All of you take it screenshot. All of you take it screenshot of the program. All of you take it screenshot. सगळ्यांनी घेतला प्रोग्रामचा स्क्रीनशॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. ओके. Yes, anyone tell me what you mean by table? Yes. In our next program, in while loop, for loop concept, okay? What is mean by table? In general example, yes, tell me table. Or write a program, print table of the entered number using for loop. Okay. Okay. Next, what will be the logic of the print the table entered into for loop? Using for loop. I want to print table enter number using for loop. Yes, anyone?
कंटिन्युअस मॅम नंबर प्रिंट करायचे असतील तर फॉर लूप यूज करतो.
येस येस, कंटिन्युअसली प्रोग्राम मध्ये हे करायचं असेल तर फॉर लूप यूज करतात. दॅट्स वाय विल टेक फॉर लूप. बरं, राजनं दिलेलं लॉजिक इट सेम, करेक्ट आहे. बट आता आपल्याला प्रिंट करायचं आहे टेबल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 2 चा टेबल. येस. नेक्स्ट वन 3 चा टेबल. 3 चा टेबल. Now what will be take the logic of the we will print the 2, 4, 5 the table. Okay. Anyone tell? Yes. Anyone having logic? Rajnandini?
इनिशियल व्हॅल्यू मॅम
Yes. Initial time.
पहिल्यांदा घ्यायची, नंतर त्याच्यात इन्क्रीमेंट कितीने करायची, म्हणजे 2 चा जर टेबल लिहायचा असेल तर I++ घ्यायचं.
बरोबर. करेक्ट वेने जात आहे राजनंदिनी. Okay, we will start our next program using for loop. आणि ज्यांना कुणाला फॉर लूप समजला नसेल त्यांनी हा प्रोग्राम व्यवस्थित बघा, म्हणजे तुम्हाला समजेल की फॉर लूप काय आहे. ओके, राईट इट कमेंट, राईट प्रोग्राम print table. Okay, print table of enter numbers using for loop. Okay, write it comment, information of the program. Okay, next one, write it file name, hash include studio.h. next one, hash include conio.h. Okay, start our main function, void main function. Okay, take it integer I. Okay, means we will take as an input, suppose 5, suppose 1 पासून start करना. Yes, I is equal to 1 to 10. Yes, I is equal to 1 to 10. Next, number I. Okay, number 2 चा टेबल प्रिंट करायचा आहे. ओके, दॅट्स वाय विल टेक n and result will be store t. T means table. Okay, clear? Clear. Next one, printf enter the number. Okay, next scanf percentage d semicolon colon address of n. User take as a input number. 2 चा टेबल प्रिंट करायचा आहे, that's why we will take 2. Next one, for I is equal to 1 semicolon I less than is equal to 10. I less than is equal to 10, then we will go I increment up to number is 10. Okay, next one will be store the result t is equal to I is equal to 1, n is equal to, suppose I want to print the table 2, that's why we will take 2. Okay, 1 into 2 is equal to 2 and result will be print t. Okay, means t table t. Next one, printf semicolon /n percentage d comma t. Result will be store t, that's why we will print the result t. Then closing bracket get ch semicolon close. Okay, file save as dsy Neha, roll number, your roll number.
7.
707. Okay, dot c. Save it. Okay, compile. Then control F9. I want to print table 2, that's why 2. Okay, all of you see the output?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Means 2चा टेबल प्रिंट झाला. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन वी विल डिस्क्राइब अवर प्रोग्राम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट इट कमेंट, राइट इट फाइल नेम means studio.h, console.h. Next one void main. Start our main function. Okay. And what will be write in your program? C program. We will write it into main function. Okay. Next one integer I. Next one n. Taking input 2, 3, 4. If you want to 3 the table. If you want to print 3 is a table there, then we will take number is equal to 3 and result will be stored T, that's why table T. Okay. Next one clear screen. Print text, enter the number. Okay. Enter the number and next one scan up, taking as a user input. That's why we will take %d is a format specifier. Next one address of n as a user input. n is equal to 3. If you want to print n is equal to 3, then I is equal to 1. Yes, I less than 10. Okay. If you 1, take it true. Condition is true. Okay. 1 into 2. n is equal to suppose here, if you write here, okay, n is equal to 3. Okay. Then T is equal to I into n. Yes. Then तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना दिसतंय ना? All of you screen is visible? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. T फॉर्म्युला राईट केला आहे. E is equal to I star n. Okay. Into n. I is equal to 1. I want to print n is equal to 3 means 3 चा टेबल राईट करायचा आहे. Okay. That's why 1 I is equal to 1 condition is true. Okay. Then goes to inside the loop I into 3. What is the output? 3. And the result will be stored table T. Okay. Next one 2. 2 is true. 2 condition is true. 2 less than is equal to 10. Yes. Then go to inside the loop and 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Next one 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Next one 4 less than 10. Yes, it is true. Then 4 into 3, number is 3. N is equal to 3. Then okay, all of you understand? My screen is visible. All of you see the what is the process to run the program actually mathematically. Okay. All of you see the output. My screen is visible. All of you see the table of the 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Gitanjali. Where is Gitanjali?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. तुम्हाला समजलं का?
हो.
हो, समजलं ना? ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the logic of printing the table. Print a table. ओके. म्हणजे हे इनबिल्ट लॉजिक रन करतं. आपण फक्त फॉर्म्युला राईट करतो आणि सी त्याचं कन्वर्जन बायनरी मध्ये करून आउटपुट देतो आपल्याला. दॅट्स व्हाय वी विल टेक द फॉर्म्युला वाईज. देन यू अंडरस्टँड दी व्हॉट इज द लॉजिक ऑफ द प्रोग्राम. ओके. आणि सेम लॉजिक आहे टेबल प्रिंट करायचं आहे युजिंग व्हाईल लूप. ओके. राजनंदिनी, टेल मी A logic are same in while loop also, and do it the program of while loop using while loop. Rajnandini, what is the logic of while loop using printing the table? Using while loop. Formula are same. Yes? Where is Rajnandini?
येस मॅम.
Yes. While loop मध्ये सेम प्रोग्राम आहे. लॉजिक आर सेम. while loop मध्ये कसं प्रिंट करणार आपण? येस. while loop मध्ये कसं प्रिंट करणार? Okay, no problem.
व्हाईल कंडिशन टाकायची मॅम त्याच्यात.
येस, कंडिशन टाकायची. येस, ॲब्सोल्युटली राईट. कंडिशन टाकायची. Okay. For new, write it comment. If it is necessary to write it comment, because of you have to understand what is our program. That's why we will write it comment. If it is necessary, tell me. Tell me. If it is necessary to write comment, write a program print table or enter number using while loop. Okay, using while loop. Listen everyone, logic are same and code also same. Okay, but we will do it while loop. While loop syntax are different and for loop syntax also different. Okay. Hash include studio.h hash include Kuna.h. Next one, void main opening bracket. Then you tell me what is our for loop initialization. First one I, next one n as a taking as a user input, and t is a result store the result. That's why we'll take table t. Next one, printf, enter the number, semicolon. Next one, scanner, percentage d, address of n as a user input. That's why we'll take address of n. Okay. Next one, I is equal to 1. I started is equal to 1. semicolon is a condition. Then while I less than is equal to 10. Condition goes to 10. Okay. Next one, opening bracket. Logic assembly is equal to I into n. Then semicolon. Next one, printf. Printf per slash n percentage d comma t colon and increment semicolon while loop close. Okay. Next, get ch semicolon closing bracket, main function close. While condition, everybody syntax will be understand what will be syntax of while loop. While condition, opening bracket, statement and closing bracket. Okay, it is a while loop syntax. Okay. First of all, we will initialization I n t. Okay, I is the increment. Okay, initialization 1 to 10. Yes. Next one, n as a taking user input and t is a user to store the result. Okay. Printf, enter the number. Okay. Scanner percentage t format specifier address of n. Taking as a user input text n. Okay. Next one, I is equal to 1 semicolon while I is equal less than is equal to 10. Loop will be continuous running with 10. 10 less than is equal to 10. Loop is false. Then its CS will be remaining output. Okay. I is equal to 1. I less than 10. Then loop will be true. Then goes to inside. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Then store the result. 3 is a table. Store the result on your table T. Okay. Next one, increment. Increment. Then while loop also 2 less than is equal to 10. Next 2 into 3, 6. Next one, printed result. Next increment. Loop म्हणजे याच्यात लूप कंटिन्युअस लूप फिरत राहणार. ओके. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टँड दिस मच. I plus plus means post increment, means one statement, one number is increment. I, okay, 1, 2, 2 less than 10, 2 into 3, what is output? T, 6. Then printed 6. Okay. Next, I is equal to 3. Increment. Loop तोपर्यंत त्याच्यामध्ये फिरत राहणार. ओके. तोपर्यंत तुमची कंडिशन फॉल्स होत नाही तोपर्यंत. ओके. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टँड? ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टँड? Gitanjali, your roll number?
1.
1. Okay. 0, 1. Your roll number is under. Control F9 and 3. Okay. All of you see the output? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay. लूप तोपर्यंत तुमचं फॉल्स होणार नाही. आणि लूप केव्हा फॉल्स होणार राजनंदिनी? कंडिशन कधी फॉल्स होणार तुमची?
10 च्या पुढे जर
हा राजनंदिनी. गीतांजली ऑल्सो टेल मी. लूप तुमचा कधी फॉल्स होणार गीतांजली?
ते व्हाईल लूपची कंडिशन I is equal to smaller than 10 केल्यानंतर.
गीतांजली, some are wrong because of, थांबा तुम्हाला अजून एकदा सांगते. ओके. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राईट इट printf, taking as an input. Okay. Suppose I 11 less than is equal to 10 असेल तर कंडिशन काय होणार आहे? कंडिशन काय होणार आहे? फॉल्स होणार आहे गीतांजली. बिकॉज
हा.
ऑफ 11 लेस दॅन 10 इट इज नॉट ट्रू. गीतांजली
Yes,
unmute
ma'am.
your
Yes.
unmute your audio and listen carefully. All of you listen carefully. I is equal to 10. 10 आहे. मग 11 I ची व्हॅल्यू काय घेतली आपण? 11 घेतली. तर ती कंडिशन फॉल्स होणार आणि तिथेच प्रोग्राम टर्मिनेट होणार. ओके. ओके गीतांजली.
Okay, ma'am.
if I 9 ओके I ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे 1 to 10 आहे. मग I ची व्हॅल्यू 9 आहे. 9 लेस दॅन इज इक्वल टू 10. Then condition is true. Goes to loop. I is equal to 9 into number is 3. N is equal to 3. Then 9 3s are 27. Okay, write it. Okay, and then it will store result as a T. Result is equal to 27. Okay, then T will be print 27 and I also increment 10 less than 10. Okay, condition is true. Then goes inside 10 into 10, 20. T will be stored. Oh, sorry. 10 into 3. Result will be 30. T is equal to 30. And then goes another 11 less than 10. It is not for false statement because of we will be store 1 to 10 number. Okay. All of you understand? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take it screenshot and take it 5-minute break. 5-minute break. Only 5-minute break. And don't leave the session. We will start our next topic also. Function in C. Okay. Take it screenshot and take it 5-minute break.
मॅम
Hello Rajanandini.
हा मॅम ते डू वाईल लूप ते नाहीये का ह्याच्यात सिलेबसला
Yes.
ते?
Afterward we will do it. Do while loop. Take it 5-minute break.
ओके.
Hello. Let's start. Let's start our next program. May I audible?
येस मॅम.
Okay. Okay. Let's start our next program. Okay. Next do while loop. Okay. Write comment. Write it information of the program. Write a print the table of enter number using do while loop. Do while loop. Okay. Write it. Write it. File name #include studio.h name #include conio.h. Next one, start our main function. Main integer opening bracket integer I comma n comma t. Next one, printf display message enter the number, then scanner %d comma address of n. Okay, taking user input. Okay, next one, I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1. Condition. Next, start do opening bracket t is equal to our same logic for loop, while loop and do while loop. In our three programs having same logic of print a table enter using number using do while loop. Okay. I t is equal to I star of n semicolon printf %d slash n %d comma t. Okay. Next one, I increment. Okay. Closing bracket. Then condition will be checked after the last. While I less than 10. Then get CS. Okay. Then file save as DSY. Sakshi, your roll number? Correct.
2.
Okay, Sakshi, roll number 2.
2 हा.
Yes. C. Okay. Compile. Enter the number 4. 4 चा टेबल प्रिंट करायचा आहे. That's why we will take enter the n is equal to 4. 4 into 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, all of you see the screen. My screen is visible. All of you see the output.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Take it. Enter initialization the I comma n comma t. Yes. I say initialization I is equal to 1. Okay. I is equal to 1. Then do opening bracket t is equal to I star of n, then I increment, okay, 2 is equal to 2 into 4, 8. Yes, result will be stored t, table t, print it, table t. Yes, next 3 is equal to 3 star of n. Yes, 3 into 4 is equal to, what will be the output? Next, I less than 10 goes to 10 less than 10. Okay, output will be, the condition will be true, then get CS, and last will be condition is true or false. It is executed. Our first statement is tested and execute. Then our last statement will be executed. Condition will be true or false. Check it, our true or false. Condition should be true or false. I less than 10. I is equal to 10 less than is equal to 10. Okay. First of all, check its condition. Do while loop मध्ये स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चेक केलं जातं. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन वी विल कंडिशन लास्टली चेक केलं जातं व्हाईल लूप. डू व्हाईल लूप मध्ये फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंडिशन चेक केलं जातं. नेक्स्ट वन वी विल स्टेटमेंट विल बी ट्रू और फॉल्स, ते चेक केलं जातं. नेक्स्ट वन व्हाईल लूप क्लोज केलं जातं. ओके, अँड नेक्स्ट डू व्हाईल लूप मध्ये फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टेटमेंट टेस्ट केलं जातं. Next one, it is true or false. Condition will be true or false. Then while loop, while I less than is equal to 10. All of you clear the logic of print table enter number using while loop. Do while loop, yes. All of you clear the logic of print the table, enter the number using while loop? All of you clear? Also repeat it. Repeat it? Yes? If you want to repeat it, tell me. Repeat it? Yes, Rajnandini. All of you clear your logic first of all, because of this is important. All of you, why you are so much silent, Geetanjali? Geetanjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is your any doubt in your program? Because of 3 for loop, while loop and do while loop, they are having same logic of print a table. Yes? All of you clear this much logic? How to print? My screen is visible. T is equal to I star of n semicolon. Why is used? Anyone tell me this statement, why use it? Yes? First of all, write it comment, write it reprocessor statement, write it file name. Okay? Next one, main function. Next one, initialization of the variable. Next one, printf, display the message. Okay? Enter the number. However, any number. If you want 10, yet take it 10 as a user input. Yes. Next one, I is equal to 1. Okay. Initialization I is equal to 1. Do. Then opening bracket T. T will be using for storing our result. T is equal to I star of n. I is equal to 1 star of n. N is equal to 3. Suppose if you take it 3. If you print it table 3. That's why you take it 3. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Then store the result 3 into table T. Yes. Then print the display the result T. Then increment 2. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Then result will be stored T. Then print it, display it, and next increment. Increment 4. 4 into 3, 12. Display it. Next one 5. Display it result into T. Next condition at the last of while loop, do while loop while I less than is equal to 10. Condition is checked. Then get CH holding the output screen. Holding the output screen. Okay? All of you clear? All of you clear it? All of you clear it? The doubt? All of you clear it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aishwarya. Any doubt into 4 program? Sorry for inconvenience. Okay, all of you 3 program, all of you understand in 3 program?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Okay, sorry for inconvenience. Okay, all of you understand 3 program? All of you understand? Let's start our next topic. Next. If you want to repeat it, our syntax of if else, decision control, case control, loop control structure, tell me. If you want to repeat the syntax of if else ladder and while loop, do while loop. Yes, anyone tell me? If you want to repeat it, tell me. Please repeat the syntax of the if else if ladder. First of all, we will check it demo, do it demo of the while loop, do while loop, and if else ladder and simple program of area of the circle. In this lecture, if you want to repeat it because of you don't understand the syntax of while, do while, you tell me. Yes? Yes, anyone tell me? Because of half an hour, that's why we will not start our next topic, function in C, because of C is the most important topic in basic of C, basic in C programming. If you want to repeat it, the syntax of if else, loop control and case control structure, we will repeat the syntax of this 3 point. Yes, anyone give me anyone reply. Yes, anyone? Yes, anyone? Gitanjali, Aishwarya. Yes, Vaibhavi. Where is Vaibhavi? In your class, 3 Vaibhavi. Yes, Vaibhavi. Aishwarya. Gitanjali. Yes. Anyone tell me? Yes, we'll repeat it our case control, decision control syntax. If you want to repeat it. If you want to repeat.
Yes, ma'am. Repeat it.
Okay, syntax of program. Right now we will do it program of do while loop print table. That's all of you take it screenshot of the program. Program we will repeat it or syntax of decision control structure, case control structure, loop control structure, syntax. What do you want to repeat it? तुम्हाला रिपीट काय पाहिजे?
Program, ma'am.
Program. All of you. Program. Okay. First of all, write it, comment. Okay. And listen carefully. While loop, for loop. Sorry. First of all, for loop, while loop, and do while loop. They are having same logic of printing the table. Okay. Hash include studio.h, hash include .h, write it finally. Okay. Next one, void main, start our main function, then integer I, comma n, comma t. Okay. I is equal to 1. Initialization is equal, I is equal to 1. Okay. Next one, n, because of taking user input. Okay, variable n. Then we will take the storing the result of the table. Okay, that's how we will take the variable t. Okay, next one, printf. Enter the number. Enter the number, display the result. Display the message. Okay. Next one, scanf. Scanf %d, format specifier t, comma address of n. Because of user taking the user input n. Okay. I is equal to 1, semicolon. Statement I is equal to 1. Then do opening bracket t. Because of result will be stored t is equal to r star of n. Okay. Write it here, t is equal to I, t is equal to I star of n. Okay. If suppose you take print the table 3, n is equal to 3. Okay. Then I is equal to, what will do? 1. Okay. Then it goes inside I is equal to 1. 1 into n is equal to 3. Then what will be the result? 3. Okay. Then result will be printed. And then I increment, post increment. Then 1. I initially 1. Increment means 2. Then it goes to formula. Then it is equal to 2 into 3. Then result is 6. And 6 result will be stored t variable. Okay. Then display the result t. Okay. Next one, also increment. Increment is, okay, increment, to increment. Then is equal to 3 star of 3. Okay, then 9. Then 9. Okay, then 9 will be store t variable. Okay, and display it. Okay, and next also increment it, and look also this statement will be run it because of 10 it's not here. That's why 10 greater than 11, 11 into 3 not possible because of condition is 11 less than is equal to 10. All of you clear, Aishwarya?
Yes,
Aishwarya,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay. Because of this much logic is very important to you. T is equal to I star of n and printf slash n percentage d format specifier and t storing the result t. Okay, next one, last of all we will okay. All of you clear it? Gitanjali,
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya, Rajnandini,
Yes, ma'am.
Rajnandini, why your voice is slow?
Yes.
And very good for giving me answer and active participation of Gitanjali, Rajnandini, Vaibhavi and Neha also. Okay. All of you take a screenshot of the program.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And for you guys, we will repeat in your repeated syntax of the decision control, loop control and case control. Okay. Okay. In decision control, we'll be having four statements. That's why we will take the decision in C program. If statement, if else statement, nested if else statement. Yes. Okay. In general way, if condition is true value. If condition, if all of you know, is 0, check it 0 for number is positive, negative or 0. All of you see the condition. If a is equal to 0, statement is true. Yes. If condition, opening bracket, block of three statement here, and this statement will be only execute if the condition is true. Okay, this much syntax is sufficient. No any restriction in this. Okay, all of you see the syntax, correct syntax. Then if statement. If all of you see, if a greater than 0, minus 7 greater than 0, its condition is false. Okay, first condition is false. Then else statement execute. Okay. Then nested if else. If, then another if statement. If condition syntax, then another if syntax. If else syntax. All of you understand. Okay. Then loop control structure. Then loop statement allows to execute statement group of the statement multiple times. Okay. Then we will check while loop. First of all, condition. If a less than is equal to 10, statement print is number is 10 up to 10, and number is 10, print it number 0 to 9. Okay. Then do while loop. Do, then statement 1 test, another statement 2 test, and while condition, last time we will check condition. Okay, we will see the do while printing table. Okay, next one for loop. For loop for use for repetition control structure that allows us to efficiently write a loop that needs to execute specific number of times. Okay, first of all initialization, then condition, then increment, and this statement 1. I is equal to 0, condition I less than is equal to 10, then increment I plus plus. All of you see the program of the for loop of printing table. Okay, case control structure. The statement which are used to execute only specific blocks. Okay, only specific block of code. That's why we will use block case control structure. Then we will use switch case, break, continue, go to. Okay, in this switch case, what will be do it program? Any program yesterday session. Yesterday week we will see the program of switch case. Okay, आणि break statement will be terminate the while loop. Okay, and then continue statement we will particular iteration will be keep it and next statement we will run it. Then go to statement, then function. Okay, you see first of all see all of the syntax of if else of switch case. It is very important because of first time we will do it program, then that time we will don't understand what will we do. Then open it my PPT, see to what will we do it syntax and write it the program that's like. Okay, because of if you do it switch case expression and case 1, case 2 and closing bracket, that's why we'll use opening bracket. That time you having occurring error in C program because of particular syntax of if else or for loop or switch case are particularly define it. That's why we will do it program by systematically. If, then closing bracket, then else, opening bracket, then printf. Okay. Then function in C. In next lecture because of you are having so much in right now. All of you understand. First time तुम्हाला कोणाला समजलं नसेल डेमो ऑफ प्रॅक्टिकल फॉर लूप डू while loop त्यांना आता समजलं का ऑल ऑफ यू
Yes, ma'am.
त्यांना आता प्रोग्राम
Yes,
समजलं
ma'am.
का सगळे ऑल ऑफ यू 23 स्टुडंट आर प्रेझेंट टेल मी ऑल ऑफ यू टेल मी ते प्रोग्राम समजले का तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
सगळ्यांना ऑल ऑफ यू
येस
सगळ्यांना A to Z सगळ्यांना समजले का प्रोग्राम while loop तुम्हाला एक आयडिया सांगते फर्स्ट टाइम if you are doing first time into program in your computer your laptop your system then you check it your syntax and then you have done it program. First of all you do while loop program. Yes, next of all you do it print the 0 to 10 number using for loop while loop do while loop. Okay, it is a basic step and next step you go to number is even odd number, a number is a prime or not number, then area of circle is a simple program. First of all check it, display it and user taking as input, write it formula and display the result. Okay, that much we are having program of area of circle. Okay, all of you take it screenshot of all programs, 3 or 4 programs. All of you take a screenshot of all 4 programs.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. If you are having any doubt, ask me in your program. And first of all, see the how to check error in C program. Okay. If you want to open our save program, then go here, open bracket and write it your program name DSY07. Okay, dot C and open it program. Open it. Okay, open DSY02.C and open it. DSY07. Neha, your roll number?
17.
17. 17 चा प्रोग्राम तो केला मी कदाचित काय केला मी डोंट नो. Okay, we will write here T is equal to I star of n, then semicolon, then go here, write it here 1 star of 3, n is equal to 3, then result will be stored 3. Okay, that much. Okay, save it. Okay, and alt F9. What is error? Error occurring 2. Warning is 1. What is error? 12 line. Anyone. Line number is 12, 13, 18. Okay. Then 12 number. 12 number, line number. Okay. All of here. Okay. Cut it. And also here. Occurring error here. Okay. Next one, 7. All of you see here 11.25. It is line number. Then 12. Next 13. Next 14. Then result error occurring into your program. Go to this line number and remove your error. Okay. Alt F9. Error 0. Yes. Then control F9. 7. Okay, all of you clear the doubt how to search occurring error, remove it, कसे error remove करायचे हे पण समजले ना all of you? All of you clear the all of you clear the logic of the program? Take it screenshot. Take it screenshot of the program. Take it screenshot of the program.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you. Okay. Okay. Next one, see the all of you clear. C program to demonstrate control instruction using C. In control instruction, you are having if else ladder. Then we having no control structure. You are having decision control structure, loop control structure, and case control structure. Yes, all of you clear? All of you see the statement C program using demonstrate control instruction in C. All of you clear?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Our first experiment is over. Okay. In our second experiment, we are having array, function, and pointer. In your second chapter. In also solution of simultaneous equation in our second chapter also. This is also second chapter. If you are having any doubt, ask me. This is my doubt. Don't understanding this program. Because of function is not conducted today's lecture because of they having so much important point in your C programming basic. That's why we will not take today's lecture. आणि तुम्ही थेरी जसं समजला तसा प्रोग्राम पण तुम्हाला समजायला पाहिजे. That's why we will take one point and demo of practical. And that point. If you are having notes, you are having also notes of Bhosle sir. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
No.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. We will complete this chapter and 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 take it notes for me. Okay. We will share you into WhatsApp group or mail. You are having mail or WhatsApp group. Next.
WhatsApp group, ma'am.
Okay, WhatsApp group. We will share your PPT or program in WhatsApp group. Only practice it into program. Don't worry to don't take any tension to how to write it. You see the program, write it laptop or you are having mobile also. Install Turbo C Droid. Okay, all of you listen carefully. Install Turbo C Droid and type it into mobile also. You okay? First of all, open its syntax and open it if you want to do if simple if program, then open it if syntax and write down the program. If you are having any doubt, if you are write it only hello program, write it hello program using while loop, do while loop, for loop. Okay. Okay, all of you understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write it your roll number and name. Only Rajnandini, Neha, Gitanjali, and roll number 1, 3, 7, 24 are present. Write it into chat box. and don't leave the session because the session is not over. If you are having any doubt, simple one also, you tell me. You are having 10 minutes to resolve your doubt. And don't fear how to ask and how to tell. Tell friendly because an interactive session is happening here. You are having 10 minutes. You tell me what is your doubt. Neha, Gitanjali, Rajnandini, Vaibhavi, Sakshi also. If you are having any doubt, ask me. Samadhan. 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 Here is Samadhan present or not?
Present, ma'am.
Yes. If you are having any doubt,
No, ma'am.
no. Okay. Tell us your friend also. Join the session. Only having only having 1 month or 2 month time. Then afterwards you are having external, internal, external. That's affect your external internal marks if you are not attending regularly session. It is affecting your marks. All of you listen carefully. Yesterday, WhatsApp group having one message. Prasant Pawar sir. All of you see and attend the session, all session carefully. Because of you are having internal external examination after 2 months. In our hand only 2 months, 3 months to complete our syllabus. And you are having only 25-30 students are present. How to conduct session? Anyone give me reply? Yes? If you are having any friend in your class, call your friends and tell us to attend the session and regular basics because of your attendance is also maintained and that will be attendance and performance. I give you marks. And also no, I will note the active participation of Samadhan also and Neha, Gitanjali and also in sincerely participation of first session onwards. Gitanjali, Rajnandini, Neha, Vaibhavi also. All of you write it into roll number into chat box. Roll number and name. Don't miss anyone. And don't write it, repeat it. Vishwajit also join. Vishwajit. Yes, Vishwajit. Jadhav. Sonali, don't leave the session because of.
Hello, madam.
Yes. Hello, yes. If you are having any doubt, Vishwajit?
No, madam.
No. Okay. Tell us your friend to join. Don't join 10, 13 and 11. Someone join 11:30. Then we will deny the permission. Vishwajit, tell us
madam.
your friend. Tell us your friend
Yes,
to
madam.
join the session.
Yes.
All boys. All boys. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Okay. All of you write down your roll number, name into chat box. Okay. Okay. Let us stop here. All of you write it your roll number, name into chat box. Yes? Anyone left? Okay. Let us stop here. You are having good day. You are having good day. Okay?
Same to you, ma'am.
Vaibhavi? Yes.
Same to you, ma'am. Same to
Okay.
you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Let us stop here. Session is over.